evaluate the limit of x squared times sine 1 over x as x goes to 0. Here, when x goes to 0, this 1 over x is 1 over 0, which is undefined. So we cannot find by direct substitution. Okay. Then we don't have any means of factoring or anything else. But as we know, sine function, as we know, sine or cosine of any angle, the maximum value is 1 and minimum value is -1. So sine theta is in fact squeezed between -1 and 1. Okay, that means let's try to use squeeze theorem. Okay, so I start with this fact: sine 1 over x is at most 1 and at least -1. Okay, and we have sine 1 over x times x squared. Okay, x going to 0 means x is very close to 0 but not exactly 0. That means we can multiply each side. In fact, we have 3, this compound inequality by x squared. Okay, multiply noting x squared is not 0, so we get negative x squared sine 1 over x squared. Now we need to take this limit x going to 0. Let's take this in each side, or we can just take in the left side and far right, and if they agree, then the limit of this middle expression will be the same. Okay, now limit of negative x squared when x goes to 0, that's what we want here in this question. Plug in 0 because this is simply a polynomial, so 0, and limit x going to 0 of far right, this x squared is also 0. That means the limit of this expression is squeezed between 0 and 0. That means the limit is in fact 0. Okay, then by the squeeze theorem we can conclude the limit of this x squared sine 1 over x is 0. Final.